Hi kids, welcome back to Kiddo Color Club. Today we're going to draw and color something amazing. The number blocks 100 chart. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Great job! Now, write the numbers inside each box from 1 to 100. Now it's coloring time. Let's make it super fun with rainbow colors. Red color, orange color, green color, purple color, sky blue color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, chocolate brown, red color, orange color, light green, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, deep purple, red color, purple color. Look how beautiful it's turning out. Your number block chart looks like a rainbow party. Now let's add a happy face, big eyes, a smile. Let's give it arms and legs and ta-da! Our number block friend is alive. Maybe we can name it Mr. 100 or Rainbow Bot. You did a fantastic job today. You learned numbers, colors, and had fun drawing. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Kiddo Color Club, and we'll see you in the next colorful adventure. Bye-bye friends. Keep drawing and keep smiling.